Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening WhatsApp and the iPhone Settings app. Tap WhatsApp, then go to Settings Chat's Chat Backup. This shows current backup status and schedule. Once done, switch to iCloud settings to confirm WhatsApp has iCloud Drive access. This matters because WhatsApp backups live in iCloud. If you don't grant access or iCloud Drive is off, backups won't run. Make sure you're on Wi-Fi or a data plan you're happy to use before proceeding to stop or delete backups. You now disable automatic backups inside WhatsApp. In Chat Backup, tap Auto Backup and select Off. This prevents future scheduled uploads. If you prefer an extra safety step, tap Backup now before turning off Auto Backup so you have a recent copy. Once Auto Backup is off, you can also remove WhatsApp's iCloud Drive permission via Settings Your Name iCloud apps using iCloud. Toggle WhatsApp off. Doing that removes future backups from iCloud. Keep in mind, to remove an existing backup, go to Settings Your Name iCloud Manage Storage and locate WhatsApp Messenger. Tap it and choose Delete Data to remove the chat backup from iCloud. Once deleted, confirm in WhatsApp Chat Backup that last backup shows as unavailable. If the backup still appears or deletion fails, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, then try again. This often forces a storage refresh. If problems persist, restart the iPhone and retry the delete step before contacting Apple support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.